What's up guys? Today I want to unboxing two accessories for GoPro I purchased in Amazon. Tada! This is it. Ulazi casing performance for GoPro 5. Tada! This is accessories for GoPro. This is special tools for attach your GoPro in your gimbals. Let's open it. Okay, I will explain to you guys about these accessories. Gimbal adapter. The item name is gimbal adapter, model for GoPro. Here we go. Wow. See guys, this is aluminum alloy. It's very strong and a little bit heavy in this position because when you put in the gimbal to make balance, so in this area you can put your GoPro tools. You can hang your GoPro here like that. You can tie it with this. This is a plastic and this is the copper, and this one is pure aluminum alloy. I will show you how to use it. Okay. And next we have Ulazi V2. This is a special casing for any GoPro, for GoPro 5, GoPro 6, GoPro 7, and they have attachment for microphone output from the GoPro. Connect to your microphone, so you can put in down below of the casing. So this is like compact casing. Let's open it. Wow, very nice. And we have two stickers from Ulazi and Yuri camera vlog accessories. Nice guys. And we have some complement card like vlog master plan and ideas for this giveaway. That's everything. I don't know. Okay, let's open this. Okay, this is how look like the casing. It's very nice. So don't go anywhere. I will show you how to attach the GoPro inside this casing, and also for these accessories both I will show you how to use it. Okay guys, now I will show you how to assemble the GoPro case into the GoPro with microphone and everything. First I have my GoPro here. This is my GoPro 5. Okay, and this is the microphone, and then you can open the back side from the casing. Yes. From here you can put it open like this. You see it? Yes. And then you can attach the GoPro here inside like this. Feel free, and then put back the cover from behind like this. Okay. Now our GoPro feel free inside the casing. This looks really nice and really awesome. Okay, here we can adjust the microphone and this is we can attach with hanging like this, so really nice. Okay, and next step is microphone jack. The microphone jack should be entering this side. Okay, like you see, this is very easy. Just attach like this, just inside, and then we can put it here like this. And this side you can still have microphone and charging port, so you can charge your GoPro during recording the video. Okay guys, as you can see, we already opened the charging port from the GoPro like this, and then we can just put this cable direct to the microphone. This is how it look like. It's compact package, so if you attach with the holder like this, and easy to use, easy to carry, you can put it the light here, and you can put your microphone here or wherever you want, and turn on the light, and you're ready to go. Okay, next I will show you how to use adapter for the GoPro to the gimbal. Okay guys, coming next, I will try to show you how to attach the GoPro in the external extension for the gimbal. Okay, first step is you have to release this screw here. This screw, bolt. Okay, then you attach here your GoPro and the accessories, and then you have to put the lock here. And the next, bolt in. Just make sure the position is in the middle. Yes. Okay, that's cool. Like this. And next, you have to attach this bracket into the gimbal. It's very simple. You have to do some balancing here, and then everything will be perfect. Now your GoPro is ready. Okay guys, this is it. This is how it's work. This is the bracket already attached in the gimbal. So now we turn on the gimbal. Alright, the gimbal is working perfectly with the stabilizer. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. See you to the next video. Bye bye.